pretty nice up here. I like it. I don't know why, but it is nice up here. Weird. Anyway, so I'm taking the screws out of my roof paneling. I'll set all this aside, and then I'm able to get a few more things done before I have to go to work. Then I'm going to do a bunch of little projects each day. So there's my screws that I'm taking out, and let's get this project underway. I think my deck board purlins are they're about rotten. This might be a good idea. I'm tearing this down. Yeah, they would have lasted for a long time, but yeah, no. I got the roof or the metal sheeting off of it, and I've got my cross braces down there on the ground, and I'm just going through here and unscrewing these braces here. And once I get those done, then I can start trying to undo these hurricane ties. Yeah, I forgot about those little boogers. But it is what it is. So here it is, Sunday. I found another problem that I've been having, and I've decided to fix it. Is a extremely leaky faucet. It's just wet and cold and miserable outside, and I don't feel like working on the front porch right now. So this thing leaks like crazy. I mean, it's been going on for about 2 weeks now, and I just can't handle it anymore because it's so loud. I can't really get any sleep. So instead of replacing the whole faucet system, I was like, maybe this old faucet has a washer or a like an O-ring or something inside the valve that I could replace and to remedy my problem. So here's the nozzle part, and it screws in to here, right? So you can see. But to get this off, you know, the handle, it was a struggle. It was corroded on here and also stuff, and I had to get a special tool, which is a garden trowel. And I took this and I pried it behind it and went like that to get it pried off. It took a couple extra minutes, but it worked. It's always good to have specialized tools for doing plumbing. And once I got this off, I turned this around and looked in here, and there's a small washer that looks like has been just mushed so flat. And it's supposed to be kind of like a little cone. So I'm going to go to my local hardware store and see if I can't find a replacement washer, and then see if it still leaks. And if it does still leak, I'll go over here and replace that one too. And if I got to, I'll replace that one if I can do the same thing. So here we are. I went to the hardware store, spent 50 cents, and got 2 replacement washers. I'm going to slide them in the faucet piece here, and let's see if we still got some leaks. it's a lot better than it was, and I'm okay with that for right now. But when you have things so old and you take them apart, a lot of times they leak. They just don't never work like they used to. Okay, there you go. Tub is semi-respectable again. And I still got a shit leak. So, let's go to the next project and see if we can't screw that up. And here's the update on the front porch. Not a whole lot has been done. I've started to unscrew these deck boards. I had to get my saw out because some of these screws are not coming out. I'm going to remove this deck board and this deck board and use my neighbor's chainsaw. Go ahead and cut these off.